Avdi Cluster Zone 9. I would like to thank Great Harvest School for a wonderful performance. Just we didn't know how the time went off from the beginning, that is the MC, till the end. It was just fantabulous. I should really mention the children of the school, the way they did meticulous work. We were just observing the way they were doing all work over here, just helping the teachers and doing really wonderful. And each program, the way it was taken forward, it was excellent. And teachers, really, the way you sang, it was something, a different feeling, a unique one, and bringing in the unity in diversity. Different languages and making it as a one theme into that. So that was really wonderful, bringing in the languages, Malayalam, Tamil, Hindi, English, and all that. So people, whoever belong to whichever language, would have really cherished those wonderful moments or those songs, those programs, the dance. Very good, well choreographed, whoever the teacher is, the back work done, excellent. And the teachers who sang, I could see the music teacher singing beside. So that was really wonderful. The old songs taken forward, yeah. And being in Hindi department, it was really so nice when the song came, Hawa Hawaii, okay? So it was so nice. We were also singing with it, and it was wonderful. The speech given by the students, the Tamil speech, Hindi speech, which was unexpected. It was very good. The way they quoted the they did some poetry in Tamil and shairi in Hindi. So that was also very good. And the awardees, I hope you all enjoyed taking back your shield and certificate. It is always cherished for you all. And I think last year we were unable to do both together. We had given I think it is a big treat to all the schools. I hope we have completed our this special event well in advance, so that the next teachers, there might not be a clash next month, because many might be getting awards in the school and all these dates might not clash. So we have planned and we have completed well in advance. So we would like to thank Great Harvest School once again, the correspondent, principal, and all the teachers who had worked behind this. I forgot to say, the beginning with the carpet welcome, red carpet welcome, the little toddlers, the way they were saying, welcome ma'am. So I think each one of you would have really felt so happy and honored. So each and every program was looked into excellently well, and that the captain of the ship, that is our Juliet, will definitely take that glory for it. So I would like to thank all the parents, the spouses who had accompanied, all the principals who had come from the various schools for this special occasion. And thank you, ma'am, for giving us this school to host this program. Thank you all, Great Harvest teachers. Thank you all once again.